Hey everyone, and welcome. We're thrilled to have you here as we embark on a journey through one of the most iconic short stories in literature. Today we're diving into The Necklace, a super famous short story by Guy De Maupassant, a French writer who was all about keeping things real. Maupassant is celebrated for his keen observations of society and his ability to capture the essence of human nature in his works. Published way back in 1884, it tells the story of Mathilde Loisel, a young woman who dreams of a life way fancier than the one she has. Mathilde is dissatisfied with her modest existence and yearns for the luxuries and elegance she believes she deserves. The story takes place in Paris, a city known for both its glitz and glamour and its big differences between the rich and the poor. Paris, in the late 19th century, was a place of stark contrasts, where opulent ballrooms and grand mansions stood alongside humble homes and struggling families. Through Mathilde's adventures, Maupassant explores ideas about social class, what we want, and how looks can be deceiving. The story delves into the themes of ambition, vanity, and the harsh realities of life. Mathilde's journey is a poignant reminder of the consequences of our desires and the importance of appreciating what we have. One of the pivotal moments in the story is when Mathilde borrows a stunning necklace to wear to a high society event. This necklace symbolizes the life she covets, but it also sets off a chain of events that will change her life forever. After losing the necklace, Mathilde and her husband face years of hardship and toil to repay the debt incurred by replacing it. This twist in the story highlights the irony and the unexpected turns life can take. In the end, Mathilde learns a harsh lesson about pride and the true value of honesty. The story's conclusion is both tragic and enlightening, leaving readers to ponder the true cost of vanity and the importance of being true to oneself. So as we explore The Necklace, let's reflect on its timeless messages and the brilliance of Maupassant's storytelling. Thanks for joining us, and stay tuned for more literary adventures. Mathilde Loisel is a beautiful woman, but her family is pretty ordinary. She feels stuck in her simple life and really wants luxury and attention.
I feel like I should have a life full of beautiful things, not this boring life I have.
She's so unhappy with her normal life that it makes her forget how much her loving husband cares for her and how comfortable their simple life is. She dreams of expensive clothes, sparkly jewels, and fancy parties. One day, Mathilde's husband, a modest clerk, receives an invitation to a grand and prestigious party hosted by the Ministry of Education. This is a rare opportunity for them to mingle with the elite of society, and he is thrilled at the prospect. But instead of sharing his excitement, Mathilde is immediately upset. She feels a deep sense of inadequacy and frustration.
I don't have anything fancy to wear. How can I possibly attend such an event in my plain, everyday dress? I can't go looking like this. Everyone will laugh at me. I need something elegant, something that will make me look like I belong there.
Her sweet and considerate husband, wanting to make her happy, offers to buy her a new dress. He suggests using the money he had been saving for a special occasion. Even though it's a significant amount for them, he believes it's worth it to see her smile and feel confident.
I'll get you a dress, honey. We'll figure it out. Don't worry about the cost. Your happiness is more important to me.
But even with a new dress, Mathilde is still not satisfied. She feels that a dress alone won't be enough to make her look truly elegant. She believes she needs exquisite jewelry to complement her outfit and make a lasting impression at the party. After much contemplation, she decides to borrow a beautiful diamond necklace from her wealthy friend Madame Forestier, hoping it will complete her look.
Here, take this necklace. It'll be perfect for the occasion. You will look stunning, I promise.
With the borrowed necklace adorning her neck, Mathilde finally feels ready for the party. She admires herself in the mirror, feeling a sense of confidence and anticipation. Little does she know, this night will change her life forever. She has no idea what's about to happen and the consequences that will follow. At the party, Mathilde is the star. For one night, she feels like she's living the dream. The lights, the music, the laughter, it all feels like a fairy tale. She dances with grace, her elegant dress swirling around her, capturing the admiration of everyone in the room. This is the life she has always dreamed of, a life of luxury and admiration.
This is amazing! I finally feel like I fit in. For once, I am not just another face in the crowd. I am someone special. Someone who belongs in this world of opulence and grandeur. The compliments, the attention, it's intoxicating. I wish this night would never end.
But then disaster strikes. She loses the necklace. The very symbol of her night of dreams is gone. Panic sets in as she frantically searches every corner, every crevice, hoping against hope that it will turn up. Her heart races, her mind spins. How could this happen? The night that was supposed to be perfect is now a nightmare.
The necklace, it's gone. What are we going to do? We have to find it. The fear in her voice is palpable. They search everywhere, overturning furniture, looking in every nook and cranny. But it's nowhere to be found. The realization hits them hard. They have lost something invaluable, something they cannot easily replace.
Matilda and her husband are terrified. They buy a new necklace that looks exactly the same, but it puts them in huge debt. They visit numerous jewelers, comparing prices, trying to find the best deal. Finally, they find a match, but the cost is astronomical. They hand over their savings, take out loans, and plunge themselves into a financial abyss. The weight of their decision hangs heavy over them.
We'll find a way, Matilda. We have to replace it, no matter what. We'll work hard. We'll make sacrifices. We'll get through this together. His words are meant to comfort, but the uncertainty in his eyes betrays his true feelings. They both know the road ahead will be long and arduous.
They work incredibly hard, giving up everything to pay back the money. Matilda takes on multiple jobs, cleaning houses, sewing clothes, anything to earn a few extra coins. Her husband works long hours, taking on extra shifts, doing back-breaking labor. Their once comfortable life is now filled with endless toil and hardship. Every day is a struggle, but they push through, driven by the need to repay their debt.
Every day is so hard, but we don't have a choice. We have to keep going. The exhaustion is overwhelming, but giving up is not an option. They count every penny, budget every expense, and live a life of extreme frugality. The dream of that one night is now a distant memory, replaced by the harsh reality of their situation.
We'll get through this, together. Their love and determination keep them going. They hold on to each other, finding strength in their unity. Despite the hardships, they remain hopeful, believing that one day they will overcome this challenge and find peace once more.
Years later, after they finally pay off all their debts, Mathilde runs into Madame Forestier.
Jean, it's me, Matilda. I have to tell you something. I lost your necklace and bought a new one. We spent the last 10 years paying for it. Oh, Matilda. Honey, that necklace wasn't real. It was just costume jewelry.
Matilda is shocked. The necklace wasn't even real diamonds.
What? No, that can't be. All those years for nothing.
This is just awful for Matilda. The ending is really sad. Matilda cared so much about looking rich that it ruined her life. The necklace, which looked like a symbol of wealth, was actually worthless. But wanting that fancy life so badly cost Matilda years of hardship and all her happiness. The necklace shows us how empty it is to chase things that don't really matter. The necklace teaches us an important lesson about greed, envy, and wanting things just for show. It reminds us that real happiness isn't about fancy things or being popular. It's about enjoying what we already have. Matilda's story is a warning to all of us. We should be happy with our real friends and the simple things in life, because those are often more important than the shiny things we want.